Do you recommend it?
If you're Hispanic or just born with decreased amount of capsaicin receptors or Korean, it's actually hot.
Would you do it again?
Oh no.
You know you
Long
totally
time.
would.
Maybe, but not anytime soon.
Kaka-prepare ko lang po ng spicy noodle challenge.
For my husband.
Smells good. I've done this challenge before and I completely failed.
Alright, is this the 1X or the 2X?
Just the original. So it shouldn't even be bad. It actually smells good. Smell it. You've never had this one.
Is it at least hot, like temperature hot?
Yeah.
You know, I like my food.
I know.
Gosh. Okay.
It tastes good, right? It smells. Is it
My
good?
tolerance has gone down.
But does it taste good?
It tastes good, great.
Like
But-
it's full of flavors, right?
Trying to. That's hot. That's my tea tolerance has gone down. Okay.
It's about a level 8. Or 7 or 8. What's it called?
Well, you have to finish it without drinking water.
Just period.
Yeah, in like 5 minutes or something. Does it taste good though?
I'm trying not to take out my chopped lips because that's the worst.
Ah, man. You said no water?
No, you're not allowed to do Coke.
Actually, doing Coke right after this is not the best idea.
Feel like it's getting less though?
No.
It was only one bowl, man.
I'm gonna have to like.
Throw in the towel.
It's been a minute. It's been a minute since you last looked. You think Heiko can do this?
I could die.
I'm kind of dying over here.
Oh.
Dude, I might.
So it's still 2 minutes left, right?
Yeah. At least like it's getting less. You gotta just go for it, you know?
Remember that Korean chick who ate like 2 times spicy and they ate it like nothing?
Yeah, that's them, not us.
How does that happen?
It takes practice. Okay, done. Thank you. Done.
How was it?
A little water. It's like hell in your mouth.
Do you recommend it?
If you're Hispanic or just born with decreased amount of capsaicin receptors or Korean, it's actually hot.
Would you do it again?
Oh no.
You know you
Long
totally
time.
would.
Maybe, but not anytime soon.
You don't want this?
Hold on. It's still too early.